This is my burger, and this is the cup of the burger that I'm using. So I met my burger with hot water. So I will put it inside my pot now. So I have to leave it down because of sand. See, this black thing is sand. See. This is sand. This is my burger spicy. It's blended already. So I will add my burger spices now. So I will cover it to cook now. I add my salt, Maggi. So I will add my crayfish. Dry fish. I will add my meat. My cow's skin. That is pomo. This is my dry bitter leaf. I will not add fresh. I will use dry one. I just need little. This one is okay for me. This is my burger soup. I will add my bitter leaf now so that it will cook together because the bitter leaf is dry. This is my burger soup. My burger soup is ready. You can see the oil is up now. But I will remove the oil because me, I don't like the oil. I will remove it. It's ready.